Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. I'm here today, at day one, at the amazing SNEC, with up to 500,000 people coming here, and I'm at the Fox ESS stand. I've got to see their most exciting product first up, which is the CQ7, this unit here. The CQ7 is going to be really popular in Australia because of that 7 kilowatt hours of storage in each of those battery modules. So with just 2 of them, you're up to the first tier for the cheaper home batteries program, which is 14 kilowatt hours. And then add 2 more tiers and you're up to 28 kilowatt hours. And if you go all the way, you're up to 49 kilowatt hours, which is just a smidgen off the 50 kilowatt hour maximum rebate. So this is perfect for the cheaper home batteries program. But why else is it perfect? It's perfect because it's designed for the Australian climate. It suits hot environments and cold. This CQ7 has a secret clause or a secret weapon, which is called a heating pad. Now, I visited the factory just the other day and saw them manufacturing them, and I saw the heating pads going in. That means that when this gets to a temperature where the battery would be sensitive to charging, it will warm the cells so that it can keep charging even on a cold Melbourne or Canberra morning. So that is why it's built for Australian conditions. Also, it pairs with some wonderful inverters. I'll show you those in a minute, but you can use it for hybrid inverters from small to medium, and this unit can be scaled up to over 100 kilowatt hours. I'll show you one of those in a minute, but let's go and check that out. Well, I said it had a secret feature. The secret feature, there's 2 of them. One, as I mentioned, is the heating pad. The other is you can combine 2 stacks together with a base unit. So this is a high voltage double stack for those really big systems. You can go well over 100 kilowatt hours with these double stacks. I think something like 124 kilowatt hours from memory, but I'll correct it if I'm wrong. But then you combine it with some of the larger inverters. Now this is the H3 Pro. So these come in a whole range of sizes from 15 kilowatts 3-phase up to 30 kilowatts 3-phase. It's got 4 inputs for solar inputs and 2 battery ports. So you can actually connect 2 different battery ports to this unit. It's got a backup port and a grid port. Of course, it's got the wonderful Fox Cloud 2.0 app for monitoring and configuring this unit. So combining the H3 Pro with the CQ7 gives you an amazing amount of energy storage and power for all your needs. Perfect for the cheaper home battery program, but also perfect for those small C&I systems where you want lots of storage and you want to be able to clip those high demand periods, which sometimes cost you a lot of money. So, something that goes from the residential market up to the low end of the C&I market, all with the same 2 products, the CQ7 Smart Battery and the H3 Pro Smart Inverter. Okay, check it. Hey, I'm really excited by this next product from Fox ESS. It's their all-in-one solution. All-in-one, that's right. Inverter, battery modules in a stackable solution. So cool. So the inverter modules come in for single phase, 5 to 12 kilowatts, with up to 49 kilowatt hours of battery storage. But in exactly the same package, you can get a 3-phase, 5 to 15 kilowatt inverter with up to 49 kilowatt hours of battery storage. This is going to be a game changer because it means it's really fast to install. No cables, it's a high voltage battery stack, meaning high efficiency. And of course, if you're using the newest battery modules, which also come with that magical heating pad, it's suitable for really cold climates as well as hot climates. So fast to install, it's lightweight, because each of these battery modules is less than 50 kilos, really easy to move, and it's fast to install. So it's fast, it's light, and it goes high. So a small footprint. Those are the key things: fast, light, and high. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check it. Tian Li, Mai Mai. Well, Fox do a lot of things, but one thing I wasn't expecting at Fox ESS was this. Wow. A human-sized drone that you can fly, but it actually isn't a Fox drone. What's really exciting is what's behind it. This is the L series EV chargers. They come in 9 different colors. Beautiful colors like pink and purple, and also more industrial colors like grays and blacks. And these units are so small, you can probably see it's about the size of my hand. They come in single phase, 7.4 and 11 kilowatts. But they've got bigger ones. We'll go and look at the A series next. So if you need more than 7.4 or 11 kilowatt single phase charges, you're going to have to go up to 3-phase, and that's when the A series comes in. So these A series come in also 7.4, 32 amps, single phase, but right up to 3-phase, 22 kilowatts. So they can do that much faster charging for your home charging units. I've got one of these at home. They've also got smart integration with the Fox ESS inverters, so you can do solar soaking. If you haven't heard that cool term, it basically means that rather than using your battery power to charge the car or the grid, you can soak up your solar and use that as the first choice for charging your EV. Pretty cool, eh? Check it.